Yeah, it does.
Doesn't it?
But it isn't.
Well, she's probably cold because she's got no clothes on.
I'm going to do her face in.
I'm going to give her some blusher. Have you covered her up, Aaron?
Yeah. Here we go. I'll do some oils. But I'm going to do some more
Let
wet.
me see the picture. Let's have a look. You've given
Yeah.
her a pair of knickers and a bra.
Now I'm
Why
going
did
to
you
do
Why
oils.
did you give her a bra?
Because
Why?
Because that makes it.
Because her boobies were out.
Yeah. No, that bit's like God.
She looks much better now.
Yeah, she does. I'm going to do black for eyes. Ha! Yeah.
They look like sunglasses.
Yawn, though. Sexy girl, sexy girl, sexy girl. Good woman.